Hello my crafty friends, it's Crystal with Happy to Plan. So if you've watched my channel, you know that I have been suffering with bronchitis for, well, I felt better last week, but the 2 weeks before that I was suffering with bronchitis. And I tried to film this video already and I had no energy and was not my bubbly self. And I'm like, this is just not giving this box justice. So I'm going to put this box away and look at this when I'm a little bit more upbeat and ready to actually film this video. So I recently opened a P.O. box for my birthday challenge because I wanted to put together a birthday challenge. So I did that. And, but Ronda, who is one of my YouTube friends, Facebook friends, crafty friends from way, way, way long ago when I first started my YouTube channel. She sent me a box full of goodies. And this box is jam-packed with fun stuff. So I was, like I said, going through it already. I did pull out some stuff already, but I decided to stop because I wasn't giving it the enthusiasm it deserved. So I am going to go ahead and reopen this box and show you what she sent me. So she gave me a bunch of really beautiful lace trim. So I'll go ahead and show you all these pieces. So this is like some crocheted. I don't know the difference between netting and crochet. So I think this is crocheting. I don't know, but whatever it is, it's really super pretty. I love the color. Kind of that taupe color. That's so pretty. And then this beautiful lace. So pretty. I love that. And then I love this just simple, really delicate lace. And it looks like it's the kind that you can actually weed ribbon through. So yeah, really super pretty. So, and I got a bunch of that. She gave me a whole bunch of that. And then this eyelet trim. I love this stuff. This is one of my favorite types of laces to use. Really glad I got that. And then I got this big, huge piece of this beautiful kind of pale off-white lace. It's really beautiful. And then this one as well. So pretty. The big roses on it. So pretty. And then another piece, which is like this. So beautiful. I love the edging on the bottom of that. So yeah, so I'm so excited about all that. And then I also got another eyelet ruffle as well in the package still. And then a loop braid. This is kind of similar to what I got from Cheaply Chic just now. So I've got quite a bit of that. That's really cool. I'm glad I have that. And then I got some clip stuff. So she gave me some binder clips. And then some little tiny clothespins. And some paper clips. Love these. And then just some gold binder clips. Okay, and then I also got these big paper clips, jumbo white paper clips, which those are really cool. Love paper clips. Love paper clips. And then there's quite a bit of washi in the box that actually is kind of falling out a little bit on my floor because there was so much of it. But yeah. And then I got these little envelope things. I actually have some of these that I got at Tuesday morning. And I've used quite a bit of them, so I'm glad that I have some more. And then there's a couple of different Smash companies. So these are just little booklets with little journaling things in it. Really cute to add to journaling books, or I use these quite a lot. So yeah, glad to have those. And then, I mean, there's tons of washi, so. Okay, I'm just gonna pull something out. Okay, so then I got some more of these. I'm gonna pull these out. So they're the little vinyl label, adhesive labels from Tuesday Morning. So yeah, I've got a couple of those she gave me. I'm glad I have those. I love these things. I love using those in my different planners and journaling books and things. So, and then I got another stack of them. I'm just pulling one thing out at a time. Okay, and then let's see what this is. This is some envelopes. Really cool, like, hold on. Let me open them. Like, they almost look like money envelopes. Like kind of old-fashioned-y money envelopes. These are cool. These would be cool to collage on. I don't know why they're... So there's there's 3 that go this way and then 3 that go this way. And then this one is 4x6 fire folders. These are cool. They're like little velvet pieces, but have been sewn with these little, like shapes at the top. So that's like a lemon and some butterflies and hearts and a little leaf pattern. Nice. Those are cool. That's a cool idea. And then some little smile, what are these called? What do they call these? Wire words, I guess. And then a bunch of journal cards, whole bunch of journal cards, which I love. I thought, ooh, this is cute. Little journal for Easter. I'll put that with my Easter stuff so I can use that next year. Okay, and then some, oh, this DCW paper pack. Ooh, this is cool. This is cool. I like this. Okay. Oh, cool. Die cuts. These are like 4th of July die cuts. Love, 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 love. I will have to hold on to that for 4th of July. Some sticky page flags. Cute. Some, I'm assuming these are labels. Let's see. Oh, they're little cards. Oh, cute. They're like those little those little table cards. Cute. So much stuff in this box. Okay. And then a fun paper pack. Cute. 6x6. Oh, these are cute. Oh, these are really cute. Oh, they're like little pockets. They're like little mason jars with sewn pockets on them. And then I guess you just embellish them with these things. Oh, and then they've got sequins and string in the back. Really cute. Oh, cute. Lots of journal cards. And these are some big ones. And then these are cute. There's like little envelope or little tab ones. Those would be cute to stick in a 12 by 12 like journaling book, like in the side pocket. Oh, these are cool. They're the labels, but they're the long ones. Okay, and then some file folders again, but these ones are 2 by 4. Oh, cute. Look at the little pockets. Oh, so these are from Hobby Lobby. They're like little pockets that they're adhesive. Those are really cute. Let's see. Favor bags. Oh, these are cute. Little tiny little 2 by 4 paper sacks. And some more little paper sacks. Oh, here is a activity page book. Some more paper. Another paper pack. Oh, this is a denim. Cool. Goes with those little pockets. Super cute. Journal card. Little things. A whole bunch of, what are these? Like Polaroid picture things. Really cute. Oh, and then it has different die cuts on here. I think these are from, I wonder if these are Project Life. Oh, another little, oh, look how cute these ones are. They're little file folders with the denim on them. Super cute. Okay. Oh, I actually saw this at Tuesday morning and I almost bought this, but I ended up not getting it. Oh, well, now I have it. So cool. Because, oh my gosh, look how beautiful that is. That's such a pretty color. Oh my goodness. Oh, and then the little eyelet with the, but it's kind of off-white. This looks vintagey. And then more eyelet. Really pretty. Ooh, look at this bright pink one. That's super pretty. Oh, look at this one. Oh, wow. This one is really pretty. That's super pretty. Ooh. That's really cool. It's almost like a fabric, but then it's got the crocheted stuff at the bottom, or whatever lacy look at the bottom. And then that pretty lace as well. Really pretty. Okay, so we've got some more die cuts from D&K & Company. Thinking of you, big fan. Okay, what is this? Ooh, sample pack. So she's got kind of like a denim theme, which is really cool. Look, this is a piece of denim. And paper. Oh, this is cool. This would, and then it's just some, oh, what's this? What is this? It's like a fabric, but like little fabric squares. And some more paper. Oh, there's a really big piece of denim in the back of that. Oh, more K & Company die cuts. Ooh, these are label ones. I like these ones too. I just have to, I am really curious about this. Oh, it is. Interesting. So you can take out the middle piece. Interesting. Nice. Cool. Woodland Park Doodads day after. Got some really cute little labels and things in there. It's cute. The bottom of the box finally. Okay, let's see what this one. Ooh, I like. That is cool. I bet these would be really cool to spray. But I don't know, they're really cute. The kind of like that off-white. Those are really cute. Very cute for spring. Some more envelopes. Let's see. Oh, these are from Heidi Swap. Journaling cards. Really cute. Oh, nice. Oh, cool. Martha Stewart labels. These are pretty. Oh, and then what are these? Oh, just little tags. Let's open these ones. Oh, these are pretty. Oh, those are super pretty. I love how dainty they are. And then the labels are really cool. It's hard to find really cute white labels. Okay. Some more pin. What are those called? Clothespins. Okay. Oh, here's some label. Here's some more labels for the side of my 3-ring binders if I want. Okay, let's see. And then a little banner, yellow banner. What did I do with that? Okay, and then some more craft tags, really cute. And then some little envelope. Oh, there's another banner. Or journal cards, I should say. I don't know if they're all Project Life. Ooh. Cute. Ooh, awesome day. Ooh, I like that one. That's really cute. I'm just going to flip through these myself real quick. Cute. Thank you. K & Company. Really cute. Look. Inspiring views, thoughts live here. Oh, and then there's like little idea things you can pull out. Huh. Washi in this box, and it kind of all fell out, but here is a little, oh, that's cute. It's like a little picket fence. Like a rickety picket fence for like, this would look cute for Halloween. And then a key, a Michael's key. And then this is a silk ribbon, little silk ribbon. And I think that's it, besides all the washi tape that's at the bottom of the box. All right, so yay, I had so much fun opening this. Thank you so much, Ronda. It's so fun. I'm probably going to leave my P.O. box open for just a couple more months. I think I have it until, I opened it in April. I think I have it till the end of May, maybe mid-June. So if you want to send me something, you don't have to, obviously. But if you want to, you can. But then after that, I'll probably close my P.O. box. All right, so yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again real soon. Bye for now.